Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download FASTQ files from NCBI using Conda, step by step, in a very simple way. Let's go one by one. First, we create a new Conda environment called sra-dl. Here we install two important tools, sra-tools to download and convert SRA data, pigz to compress FASTQ faster using multiple CPU threads. Conda create nsra_dlc Conda for C Bioconda SRA tools pigz y. Next, activate the environment. Now we download the sequencing run using prefetch SRR. So you will replace this SRR number with your SRR accession from NCBI. This step downloads the data safely in SRA format. After download, we convert SRA into FASTQ using fastq-dump. If your data is paired end, use fastq-dump SRR, split files, threads 8. Split files creates two files, _1, fastq and _2, fastq. Threads 8 uses 8 CPU threads for faster conversion. So output will look like SRR_1, fastq, SRR_2, fastq. If your data is single end, then you can run fastq-dump without split files, and it will produce one fastq. Now FASTQ files can be huge, so we compress them. lpigz p8 SRR_fastq. This compresses with 8 threads and makes SRR_1, fastq, gz, SRR_2, fastq, gz. This is the format we typically use for RNA-seq pipelines. Now we are inside the terminal. First step is to create a new Conda environment specifically for downloading SRA data. I am naming this environment SRA_download. We are installing from two important channels, CondaForge, Bioconda, and we are installing two packages, sra-tools, pigz. Now Conda is collecting metadata and resolving dependencies. This may take a minute depending on your system. Next, we activate the environment. That means we are now working inside the SRA_download environment. Now I am going to download a new dataset from NCBI. Now let's go to the NCBI website. I'll search for a dataset inside the SRA database. You can search by organism, tissue, or experiment type. Screen shows SRR record page with experiment details. Here you can see organism, instrument model, library strategy. Notice here it says PAIRED. That means this dataset is paired end sequencing. And here is the SRR accession number. Back in the terminal, I type prefetch SRR335291003. Prefetch downloads the file in SRA format first. You can see here the download succeeded. Now we use fastq-dump SRR335291003, split files, threads 8. This step may take time depending on dataset size. Large RNA-seq datasets can take several minutes. Once finished, you will see two files. sra_1 fastq, sra_2 fastq. These are your paired and FASTQ files. For single end use without split. If want to compress these FASTQ files efficiently, use pigz. Pigz P8 sra_fastq. Pigz is faster than normal gzip because it runs in parallel. sra_1 fastq gz, sra_2 fastq gz. Today, we learned how to set up a Conda environment, download sequencing data from NCBI SRA using prefetch, convert SRA files into FASTQ format using fastq-dump, and compress them efficiently using pigz. If this video helped you, please like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more bioinformatics tutorials.